LP3. How are you, my friends? This is Math Lesson 11, Term 1. I know you're learning math very well. We are going to subtract one-digit numbers from two-digit numbers with regrouping. My name is Teacher Naomi. Let us start with our song, I Can Subtract Numbers. I can subtract all the numbers, ones and tens and then hundreds. Subtract minus take away may all just mean the same. If I have got 7 pencils and I give 3 to my friend, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils left there on my desk. 7 hills in one sub-county, road constructors chop down 3. There would be left 4 hills right there in a sub-county. 500 trees in a forest, farmers cut some 200. This means you subtract 200 from 500 trees. 621 goats minus 34 goats there. We shall learn to borrow tens and hundreds as we walk. Very good. Singing is fun. In Lesson 10, we learned to subtract 3-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers without regrouping. We used an example of sheep. We said, there are 798 sheep on Mr. Lule's farm. He sells off 362 sheep. How many sheep remain on the farm? Let's organize our work. 798 minus 362. We begin with ones and say 8 minus 2 equals 6. We move to tens and say 9 minus 6 equals 3. We then move to hundreds and say 7 minus 3 equals 4. Therefore, 798 sheep minus 362 sheep equals 436 sheep. We are now going to subtract one-digit numbers from two-digit numbers with regrouping. For example, 27 shoes minus 9 shoes. Let's organize our work. We start with ones. 7 minus 9. Let us say you have 7 shoes and you want to take away 9. Oh, it is impossible. So what do? You go to the tens and borrow 1 10. You bring it and add it to the 7 ones. You now have 1 10 and 7 ones, which is 17. So you can now subtract 9 from 17. You get 8. So you write 8 under ones. Go back to the tens. There were 2 tens. You took away 1 10. This means that you now have 1 10. 1 10 minus 0 10, you remain with 1 10. Therefore, 2 tens and 7 ones minus 0 tens and 9 ones equals 1 10 and 8 ones. Or 27 minus 9 equals 18. Let us sing our song before we do our exercise. I can subtract all the numbers, ones and tens and then hundreds. Subtract minus take away may all just mean the same. If I have got 7 pencils and I give 3 to my friend, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils left there on my desk. 7 hills in one sub-county, road constructors chop down 3. There would be left 4 hills right there in a sub-county. 500 trees in a forest, farmers cut some 200. This means you subtract 200 from 500 trees. 621 goats minus 34 goats there. We shall learn to borrow tens and hundreds as we walk. Alright. Thank you. I know you enjoy singing. Now you're going to subtract 1-digit numbers from 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Thank you for being good learners. You may now open page 12 of your workbook and write your answers on it.